Hey everyone, in this video we are going to download Visual Studio Code for Windows. In Windows system we are going to our browser which is Chrome and search for Visual Studio Code. So now we have to go to the first link that appear in our browser. Let's directly go to the code.visualstudio.com link. Just click on download button. So now we have all the options for different systems. Since we are working on Windows system, we are going to download Visual Studio Code for Windows. We click on the download button and download start. So it will take about 2 minutes for Visual Studio Code to download. Now once Visual Studio Code is completely downloaded, click on open. So this window appear on our screen. We are going to accept the agreement and click on the next button. Then click on the next button. Again click on next button. If you want to create a desktop icon for Visual Studio Code, we just click on create a desktop icon option. Then we go to the next. Then finally click on the install button. Once Visual Studio Code installed, we click on finish button and this VS Code window appear for us. So this is the full process for install VS Code in Windows.